Let's reflect on a Sunday service teaching from Dr. Simone Alicia, one that really focuses on a profound way to multiply your own power and happiness.
You know, the entire teaching really rests on this one simple, elegant idea. It reframes how we experience time, not as something we have to manage or conquer, but as a gift that's always waiting to be received.
And that's the real question, isn't it? Because even though the gift is always right there for us, we're not always ready to accept it. And this leads to a super common state of being, what we can call the divided self. We so often live in this state of internal fragmentation, where all the different parts of us just aren't in the same place at the same time. Let's look at a really common example of what that feels like. Think about it. Maybe you're at the gym, your body is physically there, it's lifting the weights, but where's your mind? Oh, it's completely somewhere else. It's planning dinner, it's worrying about a work deadline, or it's replaying a conversation from yesterday. Your body is present, but your consciousness, the part of you that actually directs your energy and intention, is totally checked out. And this is exactly how our power gets so scattered. Our body is right here in the now, but our mind is stuck on yesterday's memories. Our emotions are racing ahead to tomorrow's anxieties, and when our attention and our intention are splintered across time like this, we feel weak, unfocused, and pretty powerless. So what's the solution? Well, the solution and the source of our real power is in convergence. It's this simple but incredibly profound act of bringing all the scattered pieces of ourselves back together into one single, unified point of focus. This is what Dr. Simone defines as true presence. And it's not just about being physically somewhere, right? It's a total alignment of every single aspect of your being, your thoughts, your feelings, your energy, and your focus, all unified in this one moment. And this isn't just a nice idea, it's a fundamental principle of how energy works. Your full power is only ever accessible to you when you are whole, when your energy is no longer divided. The moment your mind, body, and spirit align, that's when you finally unlock your true potential. And this alignment, it creates very real, very tangible results. When you're fully present, your whole nervous system stabilizes, your focus becomes laser sharp, your decisions get clearer, more intuitive, and your influence over your own life, well, it just increases dramatically. So how do we get to this state? How do we practice this? The method is so simple, it's gentle, and you can do it at any moment. It is the practice of simply coming back. So when you catch your mind drifting, or you feel yourself worrying about what's next, the instruction isn't to fight it or judge yourself for it. It's just a gentle, firm guidance. You simply notice it, and then you make the choice to come back. Come back to this moment. Come back home to your own body. This is really the mantra of the whole practice. It's a conscious choice you make to anchor your awareness. You anchor your mind in the physical sensations of your body. You anchor your attention in the simple rhythm of your own breath. And you anchor your intention right here in the only moment that ever truly exists. So remember this crucial takeaway. Your power isn't lost in the past or waiting for you in the future. It has never left you. It has been right here all along, just waiting for you to come home to the present moment and finally claim it.